Hey everybody, I'm Carrie Alves and welcome to the channel where we explore all things portraiture. So due to the fantastic response I had to my recent video introducing people to the sight size measuring technique, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a comprehensive 5-part crash course series dedicated to this essential method in portraiture. In this series, we're going to take a detailed, step-by-step approach to one of my favorite foundational techniques in creating realistic portraits, the sight size method, and we'll be completing a preliminary drawing called a construct. So whether you're just beginning your journey in portraiture or you're looking to enhance your skills, this technique will help to train your eye and improve your accuracy. So who is this course designed for? Well, it's perfect for anybody that's looking to enhance their drawing abilities. It's essential to learn how to observe like an artist and to build those foundational skills. However, if your goal is to have fun and complete a project, please feel free to trace or use a projector. There are, of course, other measuring techniques out there that are more advanced, they're more complex, and they give you far more flexibility with your results. But we're not going to get into those right now because this is an introductory course. Now, let's take a look at what we're going to be covering in this series. In video 1, we'll dive into the fundamentals of sight size and why it's an invaluable tool for achieving accuracy in your drawings. We'll cover an overview of sight size measuring, as well as understanding measuring as one of the key principles of realism. We'll also look at how to set up your drawing board to ensure a successful workflow, and the key elements to consider when selecting and analyzing your reference images. In video 2, we're going to cover understanding the construct and the sight size measuring technique. We'll explore exactly what a construct is and why it plays a critical role in your drawing process. I'll give a detailed demonstration on how to use the sight size method, and we'll cover the essential tools you'll need and tips on how to use them effectively. In video 3, we're going to begin the drawing, and we're going to concentrate on blocking in the major shapes. We'll emphasize the importance of establishing the basic structure and proportions before getting into the finer details. In video 4, we're going to concentrate on establishing the essential facial landmarks. We'll cover the techniques for measuring and marking these key features in order to maintain proper proportions. We'll also get into an exploration of values where we learn to distinguish between light and dark areas with the creation of shadow shapes. These help to define the features of the face and eventually contribute to the overall sense of form and three-dimensionality in your drawing. And finally, in video 5, we're going to wrap up and focus on the articulation process. And this is where we go back in over our drawing and we fine-tune all the details. And this is a really important part of the entire process because this is where you're really going to develop your observational skills. Additionally, we're also going to explore how all these foundational techniques we've taken a look at can be applied to a whole variety of drawing and painting methods. We'll bring everything together and you'll be able to see how this measuring method is able to elevate your portraiture skills to the next level. Well, I'm really excited to go on this journey with you, and I hope you are too. Remember, each step of the process is important, so if you run into any issues, please feel free to leave your questions in the comments below. I actually do read the comments on my channel, and I will make my best effort to get back to you and help you if I can. I have to say, though, that I have really seen amazing progress from a lot of my students who have tried and applied this method, and it's a fantastic way to kick off your portrait journey. If you've never seen this or done this before, it will definitely create a shift in the way you see things. You'll go from doing your level best, putting marks down and hoping and praying that it all comes together, to actually being able to see and recognize the valuable clues in your images so that you could put your marks down accurately in relationship to each other. So if you've tried the sight size method before, or this is completely new to you, please let me know in the comments below. I'd also love for you to share any portrait drawing topics you'd love me to cover in any future videos. This feedback is really important and it really helps me shape the content that I'm going to be creating to help you learn and grow as artists. Below I have a link to a short survey with only 6 questions, and it'll only take you a minute to complete. There's also a link to a materials list as well as downloadable reference images that you can use to follow along during the course, or you can use your own image if you like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button, as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any of these videos. So join me next time for lesson number 1, where we'll dive into a comprehensive overview of this measuring technique. So thank you so much for joining me today. Keep practicing, stay patient, and remember, art is a journey, not a race. and we'll see you in the next video.